strengthen, deprogram, and protect your subtle bodies. There are various perspectives on subtle bodies. The key is understanding our body extends beyond physical matter. We're energetic beings, more than just our physical form. Find course links in the video description and first comment. Let's start by strengthening the physical body. Exercise strength, speed, agility, and flexibility in every cell. Will remove energy blockages and infections from your body. We'll send them to unknown places in the universe. We strengthen our body by accepting, caring for, nourishing, valuing, and being grateful for it. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite possibilities. We're strengthening the etheric body, boosting vital energy around our physical form, raising its vibration to create empowered, neutral, and expanded emotions and reactions. We're restoring energy flow in every body system, removing blockages through our connection to higher mental and spiritual planes. We reinforce this connection and integrate various planes in all possible combinations, top to bottom, side to side, inside out, outside in, front to back, and back to front at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite possibilities. We're strengthening our thoughts to bring center, balance, and stability to this etheric body. We're clearing blockages, stagnation, and implants from this body, sending them to other universes, existences, dimensions, space, time, dark matter, energy, black holes, and beyond. Let's free our mental body, thoughts, and self-observation to uncover and shift limiting beliefs, steering our thinking towards life-enriching energies. We'll boost our self-awareness, becoming strong enough to spot self-sabotage from fears, limits, influences, and ego distortions. We'll be strong enough to make smart, neutral, and positive interpretations that expand our consciousness. Strong enough to give deep meaning to our experiences, desires, and actions. We train our mental body to enrich emotional expression and improve communication. We develop our spiritual body to connect with our true selves, embracing our innate harmony. We align our spiritual body with our life plan, channeling experiences towards our purpose. We train our astral body to separate from and return to the physical, strengthening our essence that allows us to travel between dimensions. We hone our emotional body, fostering love and eliminating fear, scarcity, and limitation. We reinforce our emotions to contribute to your journey of self-discovery. Stay strong so your emotions expand your awareness and lead to positive experiences. We're removing emotions that have harmed, blocked, and impaired your health. We're eliminating emotional programming that triggers self-sabotaging reactions. We're strengthening the causal body, a repository of multi-life experiences and wounds. Find strength to accept, admit, and recognize karma. Have the power to transcend it through awareness, acceptance, and gratitude. We're erasing beliefs that karma is punishment, revenge, or debt, all from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, family, and yourself. We're fortifying the Buddha body to awaken spiritually with love and acceptance. May you have the strength to tap into our inner wisdom. We're strong enough to apply knowledge gained from many lifetimes. We have the strength to empathize with souls at various consciousness levels. We activate our energy field to protect and envelop all our other bodies. We're strong enough to connect cosmically and absorb higher energies. We connect in all directions, up, down, left, right, in, out, and forward, at 100% potential, all the time, in infinite time. 100% with infinite potential. Let's activate our light body to connect with the divine light. We're strong enough to illuminate our own darkness and unconsciousness. We release our body to boost vital energy, physical strength, and spiritual connection. Let's avoid memories of involvement in sorcery or curses that harmed others and our subtle body. We'll remove sorcery effects from past lives that left weaknesses in our bodies, past, present, and future. Removing ancestral vibrational barriers imposed through pacts, promises, and agreements, yours or others. Eliminating accumulated effects, limitations, scarcity, and mental distortions. We have no resistance to letting go. We remove all that prevents, limits, obstructs, or blocks this release process. Now let's expand your energy field to its maximum potential. We'll grow strong enough to feel content, grateful, and protect our subtle bodies. We embrace our spiritual concept and connection with the divine as pure consciousness. We enhance our physical intelligence to expand consciousness to its fullest. We build strong relationships aligning thoughts, feelings, actions, and words in our subtle bodies. We strengthen honesty, observation, and awareness. We remove failures and chaotic programs, repairing breaks in each body. We energize, restore, regenerate, and reintegrate the entire field, top to bottom, bottom to top, left to right, right to left, inside and out, outside and in, forward and backward. We enhance our ability to tap into infinite potential 100% of the time. We fortify the dynamics, boundaries, and vertices of each subtle body, individually and collectively. And for each geometry we're working with here, 100% potential, infinite reach, all weaknesses gone in finite time. We send all energy waste, energy parasites, and entities from any dimension, level, or form to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy, black holes and cosmic voids, and other unknown places. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, rejuvenate body, mind, spirit. How do you feel? Same or different?